YouTube family, Z4C Natural here, and I'm back with another video. Today I am trying a clay wash with kaolin clay. I'm going to show you how I make it, and then I will show you the application process. So first, to start off with, I chose kaolin clay because it's the most gentle of the clays. It's closest to your hair's natural pH, so you actually don't need to add an acidifier like apple cider vinegar or anything like that to it. You can actually just use water. I chose to use aloe vera juice, and I just got both of these off Amazon. So I'm using plastic. I measure out exactly 1 cup of the kaolin clay, and then I'm also going to measure out exactly 1 cup of the aloe vera juice, and I'm going to mix it together until it has a really nice consistency. And I'm just making sure to use all plastic materials. I have a plastic bowl, plastic fork, and plastic measuring cup. That way my kaolin clay doesn't interact with any metals. So you just want to make sure you keep everything plastic or silicone. Glass could work too. Okay, I like to add peppermint oil. This is optional, but I just like the smell, and it helps with circulation and giving that nice tingly feeling. So I just added a few drops of peppermint oil. And then after that, I let my clay sit. I mix it again, and then I let it sit for about 20 to 30 minutes. Okay, so I'm back. My hair has been pre-pooed with coconut oil, and my clay mixture is ready. It's been sitting for a little while just to make sure everything is good and activated. And I'm going to apply it to my hair. So I chose to spritz my hair with some water just to help it absorb better and to make it easier for me to get through my hair. You don't have to do that. You can apply the clay directly onto your hair, but I just found this a little bit easier. So I am going to apply it directly to my hair and scalp, focusing on the scalp, and then working it down my hair strands. And this feels really good going on. It has like a nice cooling feeling because of the peppermint, and it just has a nice consistency. It's not too rough. And I'm applying it to my strands. So I wanted to try a clay wash for a couple of reasons. So first, I am trying to incorporate more natural products into everything that I do. So while the shampoo that I use now isn't terrible, it's from Shea Moisture, the Jamaican black castor oil, and it's pretty gentle. I wanted to find something even more natural than that. So that was one of the major reasons for me to try it. Also, clay has a lot of benefits. It's a great way to detox your hair and remove any toxins, metals that shouldn't be there. and buildup. So for me, with my low porosity hair, removing buildup is super important because buildup leads to breakage. And even though I use pretty light products now and natural oils, I still get buildup, and wanted to find a more gentle way to remove that. So when buildup gets on my strands, you have to use shampoo on your strands, and that can lead to breakage. So wanted to find a more gentle solution. And the clay is just full of minerals and benefits for your hair. It's supposed to be great for detangling. And after this process, I did notice that I lost significantly less hair, which is huge for me because I have fine hair. So I really want to keep all my hair on my head. I'm just continuing to work through and apply all of the clay. The one-to-one mixture was perfect for me, and it was just enough for my entire head, and it's really great for your skin also. So I did apply it to my skin as well. So I'm gonna let you watch the rest of my application, and then I will come back with my final thoughts. So honestly, I feel like the clay wash was pretty amazing. So for me, I found it to help my detangling afterwards very easy. My hair just kind of stayed detangled. Normally it does tangle up a little bit after I wash it. So detangling was a breeze. It kind of just stayed separated. My curls were a little bit more defined. I did notice that, and that is one of the properties of the clay. It can help with defining your curls. And for me, the biggest benefit was that I lost significantly less hair. So there was way less hair loss, and it was a great way to remove buildup. My hair felt super clean, but not too dry or stripped. And, you know, it was totally free of any buildup. I used it on my skin as well, and my skin loved it. Again, it's a really gentle clay, so I use face masks all the time. This one was like a light, easy face mask. So hope that you give it a try. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.